Good evening, my fellow Nigerian, great Nigerian, giant of Africa. I hear the news now. Nigeria government, and I don't start on Ori Buruku, and I don't start them again. That Ori Buruku when they do, now you go see Kiona. And I use millions of naira to treat this man because of coronavirus. And I understand like that. I beg, I want to ask a question. This man, what did they pass person where Boko Haram kill? Innocent. What did this man take past people where they slaughter through away? What did he take past them? One I use the money, say I use and do burial, and I use and do treatment, everything. Now get the coro, now Nigeria get the coro. Italy we get that they no kill themselves. Germany we get that they no kill themselves. Spain we get that they no kill themselves. We people there like fly. What did they call now? China self, they no kill themselves. Nigeria, country where we say person go from KG. You go secondary school, enter university, serve in fatherland. You no go get job. Country where life is no day. Country where people they hungry, people they cry every day, where they know they get joy. Now I use millions of naira. Say on I treat this man. Now I get the coro. Now they say the coro come. See, all this thing one they do. Now God now go they judge on one by one. Bunch of broom, I always they talk on. Now one by one they lost. Yes, bunch of clip. Now one by one they lost. If Papa carry pikin in the morning, go they happy. But for a present like this, now all the pikin go they fall through away. For a present go they fall through away. Go they spoil for grand. Anything wanna carry for Nigerian property, wanna make us they suffer, wanna make us no better, wanna make people where they Nigeria they frustrate every day, where they don't go feel money, where graduates go they see just under 250 euro, 100,000 Nigerian money, where go they see and say millions of naira. After it just have in fatherland, if I not see. No be Koro go see Kiona now because now and I don't see whether I go to collect Nigerian money put. Now Gumula Kayo Shimode. Now I go to kill Nigerian government. Onabi ole, Oshibajo ole, Buhari ole. All of now ole for that parliament. Onabi ole. Ogun now go Kiona. Ole, Oshibajo ole, Buhari ole, Senate President ole. Did not mean you see. Now Ogun go see kill you. Did not mean you. Only one more way you get, you go feel do anything for person life. For full family, for 3 generations, so you go do something for their life. You're the driver. Now I'm going to kill you. Place where they go born picking. Where you say from day 1 to 60 years, you no go feel using and drive motor, you no go get motor, you no go do anything. Now let go take waka go see die for inside that sofa. Now the time you say, Holy Ghost go fire on now, Ogun go kill on now, motor go jam on now. Oh, you know Buruko.
Hello and welcome. I need to draw the attention of Nigerians to what I discovered. You know, I get a lot of video mails on my WhatsApp, so I was just going through the Abba Kyari's burial, and I believe there was something that missed, that everybody that watched the burial missed, something of vital importance that everybody missed. And I can say that Nigerians were not safe. In fact, we are being ruled by people without brain or any sense of self-preservation at all. Now, any epidemiologist will attest to what I'm saying. Now, this is the location and what transpired at the burial of the late Chief of Staff, Abba Kyari. So I'm going to play the video. This is going to be a very short video, so it's not going to be plenty talk. I'll just play it and then leave us with what you see. Increase the volume. Now watch. There's just a particular thing I want you to watch. Now, I'm sure at this point, you may not have noticed anything. You may not have noticed anything at all. Let me play it again, just to see that when you watch things, you try to pay attention to very, very small details. So I know that this very particular part did not catch our attention, so I'll play it again. Sorry. I'm sure what I saw, a lot of Nigerians didn't see it. So I want to play it a second time so that we'll see if we are smart enough to catch what happened. Now, there are many versions, there are many perspectives to this video. Now, this is the only one I can get down on YouTube. In fact, when I first saw it on YouTube, I was sleeping and I thought in the morning I could locate it, but I couldn't locate it because, like I said earlier, I get so many videos on my WhatsApp, so I just couldn't trace. So I went to YouTube and get this other perspective. But virtually the point I'm trying to tell Nigerians is still here. Now, this is where I want you to notice this place. Now, if you go to YouTube and download this, you see that this is blood. This is blood fluid that must have dripped away from the late corpse of the former chief of staff body on this casket. Now, any epidemiologist will understand that the corpse as it is a body of, and this is a corpse we are all told died of the much dreaded COVID-19 virus, that's coronavirus. Now, for the corpse to be dripping body into the casket, it shows that the corpse was not cellophane, it was not properly bagged in such a way that fluids or particles from this corpse does not transmit into the air and therefore infecting people. Now, I'm sure when you watch this video, all you saw was the people around the graveside, and beside, these are cameramen, these are onlookers, and these are supposed dignitaries, all closely. Now, for this corpse to be dripping blood to the extent that it has a significant amount of drippings in this casket, clearly shows that this casket on its own is even far more dangerous than the corpse itself. Now, watch how the casket left the burial site. Now, what you see the blood? Let me take it back a little bit. Now watch, you see the pool of blood? You see the pool of blood? And you see the casket. Sorry. Watch the casket again. Watch, pay attention to the casket. And that's the pool of blood. See the pool of blood. See the pool of blood? And it was taken into the crowd. And that casket to me is even far more dangerous than 1,000 people infected with the COVID-19. Now, was the casket burnt or was it left carelessly? Where was the casket placed? Where was it taken to? Who and who? Look at the people handling. The people handling the casket were not even half protected as this man carrying the corpse. Now, to them, they felt the corpse is the dangerous, is the most infectious thing. That's why you see all this protective gear. But the casket, to me, with the drippings of blood, with the drippings of liquid from a corona-infected corpse, is far more dangerous than this. But you see the ignorance and senselessness of the people we've put our faith in to lead us. Didn't even know that right now these people that are putting the corpse in the grave are protected themselves. But those who picked the casket and took the casket into the crowd and to God knows where, can only say God protect the people who are here and who are exposed to the casket that has the drippings and wettings that came out from a COVID-19 infected corpse. I'd like to say thank you. Just use your common sense to understand.